welcome back to another day of Saturday errands. It's Saturday morning, well, probably midday right now, and we're heading into Kingston. We're gonna do a couple stops, and of course one of the first stops is, you know, our favorite place. So I don't even have to say, you guys already know the answer. I'm gonna collect a package from someone, and then hopefully hit up this new cafe in Kingston called Mimimoo. I think it's a Japanese cafe and bakery. They sell like bubble tea and pastries. So really want to try it. I've only had bubble tea once. We had bubble tea when we were in it was in Niagara. Where was that? That mall. Was Niagara?
Yeah, it was Niagara for real.
Yeah, Niagara in Canada. So we're gonna have it again. I mean, there are other bubble tea places in Jamaica, but I've never had like good reviews from them, so I never really tried them, to be honest. But seeing that this one is obviously Japanese owned, I said I'd give it a try, because at least it would be a lot more authentic. So yeah. As if we came on the right day, because they're having a sale. It's nice. Yeah. Look for the couch. Alright, y'all, we just left Active. We didn't get what we initially went there to get, but they had a bed head, so mommy got that. But now we're at Fontana. Now we're at Fontana because I ran out of my CeraVe cleanser, and Fontana usually is the only place that stocks like the whole CeraVe collection. So I'm gonna go there and see, well, I'm here now, and see if they have it. So fingers crossed. Anyways, no, there's a mirror right there. You walk past me. Okay, I'm leaving because Fontana has the cleanser for like $3,600 plus tax, Jamaican dollars, right? That's roughly how much. I can't even tell how much USD, because honestly the exchange rate changes so much. It's probably like what, $28? That's about $28. I don't know, something like thereabouts. Or part. And I didn't put on any sunscreen. Wow. Yeah, they have the 8 ounce for that cost, right? And I checked Amazon while I was in there on Amazon. The 8 ounce on Amazon is $6, right? That's all? 6 or 9? It was either $6 or $9. And then the 16 ounce is $60. And Fontana is selling 8 ounce for the price of 2 when it shipped and everything to Jamaica. My skin is breaking out like crazy because I don't have really have that cleanser anymore either, and that one is the one that works with my skin the best. And I'm just gonna have to order it on Amazon and wait, because I am not spending for the little bottle, the little bottle. By the time you go to the cashier and you add tax to that, that's $4,000, 4,000 something probably. for the little 8 ounce. Like, why should I do that to myself? I can buy 3 cleansers for that cost. And 3 of the big bottles, not the small one. That is madness. I'm sorry, I can't. Is it good? You're not answer. Cheesecake without all the fluff. So like without the base, without the topping, there's the skin part. Right, it's not sweet.
That's my thought. It's not so sweet.
I mean, what is going on this table? No, sir.